Hello great people, African traveler again. It's a wonderful day for my development, construction enthusiasts, people who love to know the progress of development in the country. So today we're going to check expressway project, some bit of it. We're going to check Waiyaki way. This is from ABC place to Rironi, but we'll not get to Rironi. We're going to get to a place called Kikuyu. You know where Kikuyu is, the roundabout between Southern Bypass and Southern Bypass, Waiyaki Way and Western Bypass. So we're going to take that turn because after that going to Naivasha, we've taken to you guys so many other times. So yeah, the video of today we've partnered with Zuru Car Rental. So many of you guys have been asking me if I come to Nairobi or if in Nairobi, how do you know some car hire dealers that we can contact with? So there's an easy app. You can just download it on your Apple Store. You can also download it on Google Play Store. Zuru Car Rental Services, whereby you can just go there to the app, choose the car you select, and the prices are over there. You can see the car you want. There are all type of cars, guys, that you really need. Check on the Zuru Car app. It's not only that. Some of you have extra cars that you like to offer as car hire and you have to depend on somebody on the street. No, this is a good app whereby you just need to go and list your car, put your own price that you have. So yeah, and you love it. So guys, I challenge you, if you're looking for car hire services, if you have extra cars that you want to hire out or lease out, go to check Zuru app and you won't regret it. Today I took my car to the car service, so I left it there to run because of time, and as you can see the clouds, so I couldn't wait. I went to the app, downloaded the Zuru Car app services. You can see the car, very nice car, very nice. I've had a good experience with it, and I can't wait. It was not expensive. I really paid like, just to use it within a day, paid like 3,500, and yeah, just depending on the prices that you want or your budget, you'll find any car there. Last time we shot here, the contrast is just different. Like we didn't leave the pillars, we only had this pillar standing. We didn't have the piers. I don't know if the piers or what. Yeah, very, very big change. Just look at this. So we are there, what is it called? Villarosa Kempinski area. Oh my.
I think it's still the place, yeah?
No, it's not. It's been blocked.
Oh my.
So guys, so many diversions in this place, and yeah, despite this, so we almost missed the turn, so we had to go back. The guy advised me to take to reverse and take this road. So yeah, just look at the road, how it is. But if I don't take this, I'll have to go very far. I don't want to take that long turn, man. But the project is on steroid, guys. It's on steroid. Just look at this. here, the other side is a yellow zone, so we're going to a white zone. White zone basically means we can fly from this area, no restriction. On the yellow area, there is a 50-50 chance. So this is a white zone. This is from the mall going up to, I don't know where, Uganda. But now let us try and see this place from above. crazy traffic. And the pilot himself here, Josh.
Hi guys, welcome
Yeah.
back to another video. We are here battling RTH failure. It means return to home.
Return
failure.
to home.
So we are trying not to crash. We are being extra careful.
Exactly, man. And I still say thank you for the guys who supported us to go back on here. And yeah, last but not least, please subscribe to the channel, like, share as much as possible. So this is where Waiyaki Way. So this is where Waiyaki Way and Western Bypass link. So for us to go to Western Bypass, we'll still take you to the full stretch the next time. But we've been to the other side, so many of my videos. So the only place I haven't been is from Westie to this junction in Kikuyu. We've never done that, so this is the first time. But from Kikuyu all the way to Nakuru, we've done over 10 videos, I think. So it was an opportunity for us to show you guys the other stretch, guys of Kino, Viru, 87, Kangemi, Elgon View. I hope we caught some shots. You can see that. So yeah, that's it from us. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and also check Zuru Hire Services. So also check Zuru Car Hire Services. They offer some amazing. If it was not for them today, we wouldn't be showing you guys all these road projects. My car, as I told you earlier, it's under service. So yeah, I'm waiting for it to be ready. Probably next week I'll be able to use it. So in the meantime, check out Zuru Car Hire Services. Go to Google Store or Apple Store, download the app, be requesting. If you're coming to the country and you don't know how to hire a car, it's one of the questions I get asked a lot of the time. So you can just use Zuru Car Hire Services. So yeah, as shown on the video below. And yeah, so it's also an opportunity for you if you have some extra cars that you'd like to use as a car hire. Just link it below. Go check them out. You can add your car. It's not only one-sided. It's not only for people looking to hire a car. It's also for people looking to list cars across the country in Kenya. So wherever you are. See you guys, and yeah. So peace out from us and Josh. Josh, what do you gotta say?
So guys, if you are very keen, you probably have noticed that today we are not in our famous car.
Yeah.
So thanks to
Zuru Car Hire Services.
Zuru Car Hire Services. Go check them out. We'll have the link down in the description, and also it will be running up here so you can see. So thank you guys for joining us in this video. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.